Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is agencies and institutions of in-service teacher education at district, state and national levels, SSA, RMSA, SCERT, NCERT, NCTE and UGC. Let us first try to understand the agencies and institutions of in-service teacher education. In-service teacher education is facilitated by various agencies and institutions at different levels, district, state, and national, in many countries. These organizations play a crucial role in designing, implementing, and evaluating professional development programs for teachers. In-service teacher education involves a collaborative effort between agencies and institutions at the district, state, and national levels. These organizations play distinct roles in designing, implementing, and monitoring teacher training programs, ensuring the continuous professional development of educators. In the context of India, several key agencies and institutions are involved in in-service teacher education. District Institute of Education and Training, (DIET). DIETs are district-level institutions responsible for providing academic and resource support to teachers and other educational functionaries. They play a vital role in organizing in-service training programs for teachers. Functions: conducting training programs for elementary school teachers, developing teaching learning materials, implementing innovations and research in education, organizing workshops and seminars. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA. SSA is a flagship program by the Government of India aimed at providing universal elementary education. It focuses on improving the quality of elementary education through various interventions. In-service teacher education initiatives, SSA conducts in-service teacher training programs to enhance the skills of elementary school teachers. Training programs cover pedagogical practices, content knowledge, and the use of technology in teaching. Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, RMSA. RMSA is a government program dedicated to enhancing access to secondary education across the country. In-service teacher education initiatives, RMSA supports the training and professional development of secondary school teachers. It emphasizes the improvement of teaching methodologies, assessment practices, and subject-specific skills. State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT. SCERTs operate at the state level and are responsible for academic leadership, curriculum development, and teacher education. In-service teacher education initiatives, SCERTs design and implement in-service teacher training programs tailored to the state's educational needs. They develop curriculum frameworks and training modules for teachers. National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. NCERT is a premier national institution responsible for developing educational resources, conducting research, and formulating policies. In-service teacher education initiatives, NCERT offers in-service teacher education programs focusing on curriculum development, pedagogy, and educational research. It plays a crucial role in designing national-level frameworks for teacher education. National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE. NCTE is the regulatory body for teacher education in India, ensuring the maintenance of standards and quality in teacher training programs. In-service teacher education initiatives, NCTE sets standards for in-service teacher education programs to ensure their effectiveness. It accredits teacher education institutions and monitors their compliance with established norms. University Grants Commission, UGC. UGC is a regulatory body for higher education in India. It plays a role in promoting and coordinating university education, including teacher education at the higher education level. In-service teacher education initiatives, UGC supports universities in offering professional development programs for teachers at the higher education level. It plays a role in maintaining standards and promoting excellence in university education. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.